Microgreens are tiny plants that have become increasingly popular in the culinary world. They are packed with nutrition, easy to grow, and add both flavor and color to any dish. In this video, we will be discussing the most common types of microgreens and how to grow them. Arugula microgreens have a slightly spicy flavor that adds a nice kick to salads and sandwiches. To grow them, you'll need a shallow container, soil, and arugula seeds. Soak the seeds in water for 4 hours, then spread them evenly in the container. Cover with soil, mist with water, and keep in a sunny spot. In about a week, you'll have a fresh batch of arugula microgreens. Radish microgreens have a distinctive peppery taste and are a great addition to salads, tacos, and burgers. To grow them, you'll need a container, soil, and radish seeds. Fill the container with soil, sprinkle with the seeds, and cover lightly with soil. Mist with water and keep in a sunny spot. In just a few days, you'll have delicious radish microgreens. Pea microgreens have a sweet, fresh flavor that goes well with sandwiches and soups. To grow them, you'll need a shallow container, soil, and pea seeds. Soak the seeds in water for 12 hours, then drain and spread them evenly in the container. Cover with soil, mist with water, and keep in a sunny spot. Your pea microgreens will be ready to harvest in about 2 weeks. Microgreens are a simple and delicious way to add nutrition and flavor to your meals. With just a few supplies and some seeds, you can easily grow arugula, radish, and pea microgreens. Try experimenting with different types of seeds and see what you can come up with. Thanks for watching.